Welcome to Dr.Caos. Today we're going to learn how to make a parameter of a particular function optional using default arguments. Now we assign default argument to a parameter of a function so we can assign a default value to it. Now the best way to understand it is with an example, as always. Let's say if we have a function called add, alright, to which we have passed two parameters, integer a comma integer b. Both of these variables are integers and don't have any value assigned to it. Okay, this is a normal function, and let's say we perform the addition in here, so we say return a plus b. Alright, so we have written a simple function to perform an addition of two numbers. Now we come in main, and let's say if we call the function, well, first we create few variables equals to 20, and let's say sum. Alright, so we have created two variables and one variable which has no value assigned. Alright, so we're gonna pass x and y to the add function. Alright, so we just type in sum is equal to add x comma y. So what we have done here, whatever the value may be of this would be stored into sum, and now we would display the sum. Alright, there you go. So it would be displayed into the sum. Okay, just forgot the semicolon over here. So if we run the program, you will see that we get output 30, which is good. But the thing is, we have passed two parameters to it. What if we don't pass one parameter to it? We'll get an error. Let me show that to you. It says error, too few parameters to the function. So what are we saying over here? That we have to pass the both parameters. Now sometimes the programs may be really complex, and you may have thousands of functions where you don't even have passed the parameter to. So what do? You will get this error constantly every time you run the program. So to assign a particular value to your parameter so it does not give you this error, you can do the following way. As you can see, I have assigned a default value to the integer b, to the parameter of a function. Now if I run the program, as you will see, it will run perfectly fine. It would say 10 plus 0, which is 10. So that's what the result is, because we haven't passed the parameter. Now this is done similarly to the variable initialization. As you can see, just equal to sign and whatever value you need to insert in it. So this thing makes the function parameters totally optional. It's upon you if you want to pass it or not. If you want, you can pass it. As you can see, if I just pass comma y, it would put 10 plus 20, so it would be 30, as you can see over here. So that's what I'm saying. It works perfectly fine if you don't pass the parameters. So the parameters are completely optional. So this is basically what is default argument, assigning or initializing a parameter of a function. Now if you don't know what is the concept of variable initialization, there's a video in my channel, so you can check that out. And if you don't know what is a function, there's also a video upon that. So anyway, this has been the channel Dr.Caos. I hope you like this video. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much.